Good evening, everyone. My name is Patrick. I'm a product concierge over at Mercedes-Benz of Walnut Creek. And in today's video, I'll be giving you a brief demonstration on how to use your keyless go function. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure the key is on you. That can be either in your pocket, in a purse, in a backpack. And the next step you want to do after that is you want to come over to the vehicle. And if you see right here on the door, there's a little square. Now that let us know that we do have the keyless go function for this vehicle. And what we can actually do is we can actually unlock the vehicle by placing our hand inside the door. Allows us to open the door. If you want to lock it, you do the opposite. You can just press this little square and that'll lock the vehicle.